It was a big night last night. The whole place around us covered with a dense fog. And oh my god, the temperature went down to around 8 to 9 degrees. But the unlucky part was we had no any comforting stuff with us. So we rolled up ourselves with thermal sweaters, whatever we got to keep up with the weather.
Alright, welcome back to day 3. Here we are in Saga City, actually outskirts of Saga City, and checking out from this hotel Harsh. Probably this is the best hotel you can get around 300 kilometers. Weather to full on cold here, proper 10 degrees last night. So even now it is 12 degrees, and today we are heading to Agra. Agra is around 450 kilometers I think. Google is showing like 8 hours to reach Agra, but let's see how much time it will take to reach. Alright, let's go. Let's hope for better views and better experience today.
From Saga to Agra, it was a simple, straight and boring stretch. Basically, there is nothing special to show you. We reached Agra by 7 PM and checked into a coolest hostel ever. The entire point of our trip was to witness the snow-capped mountains and epic fields of Himalayas. But there was no way we are going to be this close to Agra and not visit the Taj Mahal. So we hit the floor running before the sun came up.
Totally fogged up everywhere. Hey guys, what is up? If you ever wanted to visit Taj Mahal, please visit in winters. You won't regret it. It will be like this. And the temperature here in Taj Mahal is 6 degrees and we are going like crazy. Can you see anything right behind me? Actually there is a Taj Mahal right behind me, but due to dense fog, we couldn't able to see. We are just trying to pass the time, waiting for the fog to settle down and sun to rise up.
It was one of the most spectacular moments in my life. Though it was not my first time to visit Taj Mahal, this time it felt fascinating. The dense fog made all the difference. The incredible Taj literally standing tall in front of us, but we couldn't able to see it for some time. And then, as the time passed, the magnificent structure unfolded itself as beautifully as one can imagine. My bike was irritating me with some weird noise and I couldn't able to find out from where it is coming.
This is the scene here.
So Johnny, Rohit, Dennis, Walter and Paji, they are our friends who we made in Agra. They helped me to find out and solve the problem. And by the way, they are the one who's running the hostel.
So this is a culprit which is making a lot of noise from yesterday, and we totally removed it and it will be fine from now.
Our plan was to leave Agra and head towards Delhi next day. So we decided to explore little more Agra before we leave. So Walter and Paji took us to a short ride. And they wanted us to experience Agra's biryani and took us to a biryani stall which we ever saw like before. The way he served the biryani by weighing on a desi weighing scale literally amazed us. Talking about the taste, being a Hyderabadi and grown up eating tons of Hyderabadi biryani, we never liked the food out there. But that was an ultimate experience we had. And we returned back to hostel by seeing some colors of Agra. So this is a hangout hostel we stayed in Agra. Rooms were nice and pretty decent, but Dennis is the biggest reason behind I've been calling this hostel as the coolest. If you ever visit Agra, don't forget to stay in a hangout hostel and moreover don't miss the striking guitar session with Dennis.
Never tried rapping?
No, I've never tried rapping. I don't rap. I sing Bollywood.
Okay, you sing Bollywood.
Bollywood and
So
some
like
albums.
epic singer bro. खाली पे ले jam कर लेना खाली यहाँ पे कर लेना भैया.
He does beatboxing. वो तेरा तोहफे में सोने की वालिया, वो लेना दोस्तों से पैसे उधार. बस यादें यादें रह जाती है तू. बत्तियाँ बुझा दो कि नींद नहीं आती है. बत्तियाँ बुझाने से नींद नहीं आएगी. बत्तियाँ बुझाने वाली कब आएगी. गुलाबी आंखें जो तेरी देखी शराबी है.